Your chlorine didn't actually stop working. Your water hit the exact condition that shuts it off, even when your test looks perfect. Most pool owners don't know this, and that's why their water turns cloudy, dull, hazy, and their chlorine disappears. I'm Clark with Monaco Pool, and let me show you the real reason this happens and the super simple fix. Chlorine only works when these two things are in the right zone: your pH and your stabilizer, which is also called CYA. And here's why that matters. When pH gets too high, your chlorine loses most of its strength. If your pH is around 8, your chlorine is basically only about 10% effective. So you can add chlorine, but it just doesn't do anything. Now the second part is stabilizer, also called CYA. You need stabilizer to protect chlorine from the sun. But if it gets too high, it traps the chlorine. It's still in the pool, but it just can't do anything. That's why people dump in chalk and nothing changes. It's not the chlorine, it's the water balance blocking it. So here's exactly how to make chlorine work again, and it's super simple. Step 1, check your pH first. You want it between 7.2 and 7.6. If it's high, lower it before you add chlorine. That alone fixes half the chlorine not working issues. Step 2, check your stabilizer. The sweet spot is 30 to 50 parts per million. If your stabilizer is really high, rain or backwashing will lower it slowly, or you can drain a few inches, then refill to bring it down faster. Step 3, add your chlorine after your balance is correct. When your pH and stabilizer is correct, your chlorine actually holds, it actually sanitizes, and actually clears the water, instead of just burning off instantly or just not working. You'll see the balance overnight. Now to keep this from happening again, here's a quick weekly routine I recommend. Check pH weekly, check CYA monthly, add chlorine weekly at sunset, brush your pool, and run your pump for 8 to 10 hours, or I recommend running your pump for 24 hours for peace of mind. Do those 5 things and your chlorine problems will basically disappear. If you want the exact test kit I recommend for checking your pH, stabilizer, and the rest of your pool's water balance, I'll link it below in the description. It takes all the guesswork out. Now, if you want to understand what causes cloudy water and how to fix it fast, watch this next. It explains everything in simple steps.